In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a GIF in Microsoft Teams. We'll do this in the Microsoft Teams web app. Open your browser and head to teams.live.com. When the page loads, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Chat. This is where all your one-to-one and group conversations live, and it's exactly where we'll share a GIF. Click Chat to open your chats list. Now choose the conversation where you want to post the GIF, whether that's a direct message or an existing group thread. Once you see the conversation on the right, click into it so the message box at the bottom is active and ready for your message. Taking a second to confirm the chat name at the top helps you avoid sending a GIF to the wrong place. At the bottom of that conversation window, locate the expression tools. Look for the smiley face emoji icon near the message box. That button opens the panel where you can add emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Click the emoji icon to open the expression panel. Inside the panel, switch over to GIFs. If a See All option appears, click it to browse and search the full GIF library. This view gives you more results in a search bar, which is especially helpful when you're looking for something specific or want to match the tone of the conversation. Use the search to look for a GIF you want to share. Short keywords work best. Think of the feeling or action you're trying to convey, like celebration, thanks, or on it. You can also scroll through the suggestions to explore trending options if you're not sure what to choose. Keep your audience and context in mind and pick something that fits your team's style and the topic at hand. When you've found the GIF you want, click it. Teams will place it in your message box so you can preview how it will appear in the chat. If the preview doesn't look right, simply pick a different one and the new selection will replace it. GIFs loop automatically, so choose one that's expressive without being too distracting. Everything looked good? Go ahead and click Send, the paper airplane icon next to the message box. Your GIF will appear instantly in the conversation for everyone in that chat to see. This process works the same way in the desktop app, so you'll be comfortable wherever you're using Teams. Quick note, if you don't see GIFs in the expression panel, your organization may have them turned off, and that's it. Open Teams, go to Chat, pick your conversation, open the expression panel, search for a GIF, click it, and hit Send. Happy GIFing in Microsoft Teams.